Are you tired of budgeting advice that just doesn't work? Imagine a budget that not only covers your bills, but actually helps you achieve your dreams and thrive financially. Stay with me, because today, I'm going to show you how to create a budget that doesn't just survive, it thrives. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to your channel name. In today's video, we're diving into how to create a budget that not only works, but helps you live your best life. Whether you're trying to save for a big goal, get out of debt, or just make your paycheck stretch further, this step-by-step guide will make budgeting easier than ever. Let's get into it. Step 1. Define your goals. Start with your why. Ask yourself, what do I want my budget to accomplish? Maybe it's paying off credit card debt, saving for a dream vacation, or building an emergency fund. Defining your goals will give you a purpose behind every dollar you spend or save. Visuals, examples, show a checklist of goals: debt repayment, savings, vacation fund, emergency fund. Step 2. Know your numbers now. Let's get into the numbers. Write down all your sources of income. Then, list your expenses. Don't skip anything. Include fixed expenses like rent, and variable ones like groceries and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Pro tip: use budgeting apps or tools to make this step easier and track everything in real time. Visuals, a simple table or app interface showing income versus expenses. Step 3. Prioritize and categorize. Next, it's time to organize your expenses. Divide them into needs, wants, and savings. Needs include essentials like rent and utilities. Wants are things like dining out or Netflix. And savings, that's your future self's best friend. This will help you decide where to cut back and where to invest more. Actionable tip: follow the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Adjust it to fit your life. Step 4. Automate your savings. Here's a game changer. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment funds every time you get paid. This way, saving becomes a habit, not an afterthought. Visuals, bank app showing a scheduled transfer to savings. Step 5. Review and adjust regularly. A thriving budget isn't static. Review it every month to see what's working and what's not. Did your expenses change? Are you getting closer to your goals? Make adjustments as needed to keep your budget thriving. Pro tip: celebrate small wins. Paid off a credit card. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're crushing it. Now you know how to create a budget that thrives. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your finances transform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more money tips, and share it with someone who needs this. Let's thrive together.